In a world where commercial competition is increasingly fierce, it is important to always innovate in what we sell, be it products or services. But starting to sell can be difficult because there is a lot of competition and you need to invest a lot of money to have enough things to sell. That's why an excellent option to start being a competitive merchant is to sell products using print on demand. Imagine being able to offer products that don't even exist yet, creating your own designs, establishing your brand, and generating income without investing money in inventory. Sounds like a dream, right? However, it is possible. Thousands of people are making a lot of money without having invested a single penny. Let's start with the most important thing. What is print on demand? Print on demand is a business model where you can create and sell customized products without the need for inventory. There is no financial risk because you don't have to buy products in advance or store inventory. You have the flexibility to add or remove products according to demand. You can apply your designs and grow your brand on the products you choose, and the sales process is quick and efficient. Several providers offer this business model. You just need to create your designs, set up your store, and promote your products and brand. Once someone buys from your store, the provider takes care of everything else. It's an easy and intuitive scheme. Let's start with a list of steps to guide us from how to find the best provider to sell your first product. There are several standout providers such as Printful, Printify, or Gelato, although there are many options with different features. Among all of them, these three are the most prominent. Printify offers one of the fastest shipping options among all providers, so we'll take that feature and use it as an advantage for our own store. Take your time to choose the supplier you like best by conducting your own analysis and adapting your store to the benefits offered by some of these suppliers. Once you choose your supplier, it's time to choose a product, but we don't want to sell just any product. We want to sell the product with the highest probability of being sold. We need to find a star product, and for that, we must analyze the market. We can use social networks like TikTok or Instagram to see what is selling the most right now, or we can ask Google or Bing to search for and list the best-selling print-on-demand products in the past few weeks. There seems to be a great trend in the purchase of unisex shirts, and also, thanks to the prominent Hopekorg trend and motivational trends on social media these days, we can combine these two trends and sell unisex shirts with motivational phrases. We have our star product and a rough idea of the designs those shirts will have. Now that we have a rough idea of the designs for our shirts, let's start to bring them to life. We want simple but emotive designs, without too many details but with captivating messages. We can use platforms like Pinterest or Canva to get inspiration on how to design our shirts. Once you're inspired and have ideas on some models you can use, it's time to create all those designs to bring all our ideas to life on the shirts we're going to sell. Best of all, you don't need to be a graphic designer or know how to use complex applications. You can use apps like Canva to easily make these designs. Once we have our designs, it's time to open our store where we'll sell all our shirts. We have several alternatives like Etsy or Shopify. We'll use Etsy for our example, a store that fits what we sell, in our case, motivational products focused on clothing. Creating a store on Etsy is quite easy. There are many other applications to start with. However, Etsy is one of the most well-known by buyers and also perfect for beginners. Apart from the name of your store, you will need to fill in other details such as your bank account and a description of your store. The products will not be uploaded directly from Etsy, but they will be managed and controlled from Printify. We will sell them in our Etsy store, and when they are sold, Printify takes care of the shipping, quality control, and pays us the percentage of money that corresponds to us. So, your only task is to have your Etsy store and your mockup designs ready. It's time to publish all our products. Since we're using print on demand, the product won't be produced until the customer buys it. Therefore, we have the designs we created and the product on which the design should be printed. Now is the time to create mockups of our products with our own brand and design. If we go to Printify, we see they have a huge catalog of products. In our case, we're interested in unisex shirts. It's time to apply our designs to the shirts. The Printify editor is quite flexible when it comes to placing designs on shirts. It also offers a wide variety of stickers or pre-designed elements that you can apply to the shirts you plan to sell. Once you set the desired markup for each product, you can publish the mockups on the platform you have chosen, such as Etsy. Conducting print on demand is quite simple due to the flexibility offered by the platforms. On the internet, there are thousands of designs to draw inspiration from, and there are also vector editing software available to create designs without needing to be a branding professional. Placing your products for sale in an online store with your brand, colors, and design is the easy part. However, the problem arises when many people do the same, saturating the market and making it difficult to generate sales. To be honest, while some earn thousands of dollars per month, others barely make profits or none at all. Therefore, I will provide you with some advice before delving into this world. In life, we must always try and learn. Simply by applying this, you will be ahead of the vast majority of people who only think about it but never try. One of the most common mistakes is to envision your own store, plan your designs, and have ideas, but never execute them. So, as absurd as it may seem, the beginning is the hardest part, and by attempting it, without realizing it, you are automatically surpassing many people whose ideas remained only in their minds and never materialized. Taking the first step to register on any print-on-demand platform, creating your account, then going to an online store, creating another account, and starting to devise a plan while analyzing the market is often the most difficult. You lack any momentum and don't know if you're doing the right thing, so not starting to do your things is the first big mistake. Another common mistake among beginners when selling is the lack of originality in their designs. In the previous examples, I showed designs already created by Canva, but anyone could take those same designs and publish them in their own store. Why would they buy from you and not from them? It's important to draw inspiration from some designs and turn them into your own original ideas so that your designs are unique and you have more opportunities to sell your products. Another mistake that many sellers make is the lack of consistency. Most people are lazy to create designs, find good prices, study the market, and learn to use new platforms. Not constantly uploading your designs will result in a lack of growth in your store due to high competition. In Etsy, for example, there are around 120 million products listed for sale and 5.6 million sellers. Therefore, it's important to remember that the more designs and products you have, the more space your store will occupy and stand out more against competitors. Just by being consistent, you will already be surpassing the vast majority of stores on Etsy. This principle also applies to other types of online stores. Consistency is key. Many sellers wrongly believe that having a wide range of products will result in more sales. However, a store that focuses on a single product under print-on-demand will be much more successful than those that focus on selling various products. This is because the latter will be half as effective at selling each of their products. It is crucial to establish appropriate prices for your products through market analysis. This not only ensures the viability of your products but also strengthens the relationship with your customers. Failing to conduct this analysis is a common mistake that can negatively impact your business. By understanding market expectations and needs, you can set competitive and attractive prices, generating sufficient revenue to sustain your company. Investing time in this process can make the difference between success and failure. And speaking of success and failure, in the world of print-on-demand, we entrust the quality of our product to a third-party company. Therefore, it is crucial to conduct quality tests of the products we are selling. This ensures that our customers receive high-quality products and, after purchase, feel satisfied and inclined to buy from our store again. More than an error, this is valuable advice. By having the products in our hands and testing them, we will avoid disappointments with our valued customers.